Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Raycon earbuds to Android, quick fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your Raycon earbuds are charged. Take your Raycon earbuds out of the charging case. Press and hold the multifunction button on the earbuds until you see a blinking light. This indicates that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Next, unlock your Android device. Go to the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and select the Connections option. Tap on Bluetooth to access Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Your Android device will start scanning for available devices. Look for your Raycon earbuds in the list of paired devices. Once you find them, tap on the name of the earbuds. You should see a confirmation message indicating they are connected. If you experience issues, turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. You can also try resetting the earbuds by holding the multifunction button for 10 seconds. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. Now you should be able to enjoy your music or calls wirelessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.